Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the ES File Explorer app, the latest version always of the ES File Explorer app. So follow me step by step and we'll get that downloaded on Google TV today. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Now, I'll show you in two steps. The first step is going to be on the settings app, where we'll be enabling developer options. The purpose of doing that is just to enable any app of our choice to install and download apps from unknown sources or unknown apps. When that is done, we're going to move over to the unlinked application, where we'll be downloading and installing all from the app of choice. So in today's tutorial, we'll be downloading and installing the ES File Explorer app. So head over to Quick Settings and then go to All Settings. From there, navigate down to System and you're going to go over to About, second option on the list, and then you go down under About to OS Build. So here you're going to click on this OS Build 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after clicking on it 7 times, you can now proceed to step 2. What you have done is that you have become a developer and you now have the permissions to grant other apps permissions to install applications from unknown sources or install unknown apps. From here, we're going to step 2, launching the unlinked application. If you don't have this app already, check the link in the description below for a tutorial that will show you how to launch the app, how to download and install the app, and then launch it. So if you launch the app, you find the first page talking about adding an app library. Put in everything library. So EVERYTHING. Type that out, no space, all capital letters, and just like you see, you have this app library. Navigate down to find 100% free. That's this section of the apps under section 2, and you find the ES File Explorer, the second app. Click on it and click on the install app option when it's done downloading. The first time you click on it, you find download. So download the application, then click on install app. Now when the app is downloaded, you see mine was already downloaded. So when I clicked on install, when I click on the app, it just showed the install app. When you come to this page, you'll find a message if it's your first time telling you to enable permissions or grant permissions to unlinked or allow unknown sources. All these mean the same thing. What you need to do is just to toggle on the unlinked app, giving permission to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. Given that you've done that, you could come over here and click on install, then give it a couple of seconds. Your TV is going to install the application and make it available on the app drawer. So I'm sitting tight, relaxing for a couple of seconds, and when the installation is done, I'll access the app right here at home on my app drawer, and there you find ES File Explorer. Clicking on it gets me the app and it's now open. So that is a success. If you also had a success, comment down below success. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.